Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. We've been having some bad luck lately going to look at cars. We haven't been able to bring any home, so we're not going to give up though. We're going to go ahead and take a look at another one this week and see if we can't change our luck. Thanks for watching. Alright, today we're off to look at a 1966 Chevy pickup, and I'm excited to see it. It'll be an orange or reddish orange truck, and it's actually pretty decent looking from what I've seen in the pictures. Alright guys, one of the first things we're going to do today, the gas gauge does not work on this truck and I have no idea how much fuel's in it. So we're going to go ahead and put a little fuel in it so we just don't run out. So it looks like this truck's been off the road for a while. So I'm sure it needs a few things, so we'll get working on those and take care of them. Alright, we'll call that good for now. Now we'll start to take a look at a bunch of other things on this truck. Something I discovered on here is that the dipstick tube is broken off, so we'll take a look at that and figure out what to do about that. Hopefully I can get the part that's broken off into the block out, so we'll see about getting one of those ordered. Past that, the oil's pretty dark, so we're going to go ahead and change the oil. I'm going to have to go ahead and get a filter, but I got some oil. It was about 20 degrees here this morning, and I had to move this truck from one side of the driveway to the other, and it started, so can't be all bad. I should never say things like that, because that's when it turns all bad. Well, that doesn't sound the best. I'm going to go ahead and shoot a little WD-40 in there and kind of lube that up a little bit. So I get the can that doesn't squirt worth a darn. Alright, that's way better. I think I'll probably hit the driver door right away too. Alright guys, that'll do it for another episode of Up and Running. I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned next time as we continue to work on the Chevy truck. Stay tuned next time as we continue working on the Ford truck, and it's a Chevy truck. We're going to work on the Chevy truck. Alright guys, stay tuned next time. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned next time as we continue working on the old Chevy, and I don't know. Thanks for watching.